Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is John Joy Pabula Pinto. I'm 34 years old. I'm from Tigaon, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two kids, ages 15 years old and 3 years old, all boys.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
We are 15 siblings and I'm in the 9th place in the family.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergraduate taking course of my Bachelor on Science in Marine Transportation.
Okay, why did you not finish your college?
I did not finish my college because my parents cannot afford the tuition fee.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years and 5 months. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and cooking some simple dishes.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself as a hardworking, honest, patient person, and I am trustworthy and I'm willing to learn more.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have in the right chest upper and the left back upper, not visible.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to provide the future of my family.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Now give me your idea, how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will stay calm and patient. I will try to understand why the child is upset. I will speak gently, comfort them, and I will redirect the attention to a positive activity.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me and I will do my best. I will hard work and patient and I will respect your family and I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.